Asa man day mo pa dong?
Ay, here dia, boss.
Excuse me. May I ask a question? May I ask a question? Where is Danau City? Danau City. Danau where? Yeah. How many minutes there? How many minutes? Okay. Can I ask one more question, señorito? Can I ask one more question? Posible primera uno servisa con por favor otra vez. By the way, I'm por favor Espanyol. And this is my first time here. I'm only vacation. I'm looking for restaurant. Could you please help me where?
Restaurant
Yeah, yeah.
sa kuan. Sa nga na nagdapit sa SeaWorld o sa Lapit sa Iwak may simbahan.
How many minutes there?
What ka murag?
50 minutes? Okay. You have a recommendation is food? You have a recommendation is food? What food? I want Pinoy food. I want Pinoy food.
Naara man ito nga kuan. Restaurant na.
Oh.
Nandito sa Atbang Restaurant.
Asa man day mo pa dong?
Ay, here dia, boss.
Wala pa lagi boss?
Wala na boss.
Wala pa suldo dito. Vlog na bitaw ka boss. Asa mo pa dong?
Ay, raman padong kami saka.
Sige. Amping wa.
Kaila mo pa.
Butan gini bossing yo. Tumbal gid ba? Ari ka ba? Salamat kay boss ha.